finding the missing number. In your assignment, you'll be asked to solve this type of problems. Now, how are we going to achieve this? Well, we need to find the missing number, and we need to identify what kind of number is this, what part of the equation is this. So this is called the product. These are called multipliers. So it means we're missing a multiplier. So whenever we're missing a multiplier, we need to divide. We must divide the product, right, divided by the known multiplier, which in this case is 1 2/3, and the product is 4 4/9. But how am I going to divide these two fractions? Well, this is mixed numeral, so we must turn it into an improper fraction. So let's turn this 4 4/9 into an improper fraction. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 4 will give you a 40 over 9. So instead of writing this mixed numeral, you're going to write 40 over 9 divided by 1 2/3 will be 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. That will be 5/3. Now let's divide these two numbers here. So we need to write them as a product of prime numbers. So 40. Well, before we do that, we must change this division into a multiplication problem. So that will be 40 over 9 times 3/5. Now, how are we going to achieve this? Is by writing this 40 as a product of prime numbers, which is 5 times 8, and 8 can be written as 4 times 2, and this 4 can be written as 2 times 2, and bring this 2 down. So instead of writing 40, we're going to write 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 9, which is 3 times 3, and this 3 is a prime and this 5 is a prime. So now let's simplify. So there is a 3 here, cancel with this 3, there's this 5, and this 5 go away. Now what are we left with? We're left with 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 over 3 times 1 over 1. Let's try multiply. 8 times 1 is 8, 3 times 1 is 3, therefore that's your answer. Now, what I ideally would recommend you is just to leave your number there. However, if you want to give another answer, yes you can, because this is an improper fraction. Then you can convert this number into a mixed number. So how do we do that? Will be 8 divided by 3, or 3 into 8. So the 3 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Therefore, you can give your answer as 2 2/3. Both answers are correct. However, I would recommend you to leave your work there.